So, if in a very simple language, if we understand what is present perfect, so present perfect means work is done. Present perfect simple language, we can say work is done, right? When we talk about present simple, somebody does something. When we talk about present continuous, somebody is doing something. Something is going on at this very moment. But when we talk about present perfect means somebody has done something. The work is done. The work is completed. Okay? So the main focus thing, the important thing that you are informing somebody that you have done something or you have not done something or you have not done something yet. These are the simple things. The exchanging of informations about an action, whether you have done it or you have not done it or you have not done it yet. That is what present perfect, right? It is in a very simple language. Second important thing when we talk about present perfect, that generally, generally time is not mentioned. Generally time is not mentioned. When I say generally time is not mentioned, so I mean to say present perfect tells that somebody has done something. But present perfect does not tell when the work was performed. If I say, for example, some of your friend says to you, has the class started? And you say, yes, the class has started. You are not talking about when the class was started. You just say, yes, the class has started. That is what present perfect. Present perfect is not concerned with when. कोई काम कब हुआ. Present perfect does not tell कोई काम कब हुआ. Present perfect tells only one thing, that work is done. Okay, Priyanka? Anytime. For example, you say, sir, I have bought a new mobile. You are not supposed to say when have you bought the new mobile. अभी मैं आगे थोड़ा सा आगे और आऊंगा तो आपको बताऊंगा मैं कि टाइमिंग हम कहाँ लगाते हैं, क्या लगाते हैं. फिलहाल एक जो मोटी मोटी बात है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में वो ये है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेल्स दैट वर्क इज डन, यू हैव डन समथिंग. ओके, this is what you understood. Now if I talk about sometimes time is mentioned, sometimes time is also mentioned, time is also mentioned, that can be just. Say, for example, you say, sir, I have just done it, I have just come to the class, right? Or say, before some time, before some time, right? And some more important thing, you also can say, sir, I have bought a new mobile today only, because today is still running, today is not finished yet. You also can say, sir, I have bought a new mobile this week only, this month only, this year only, because this year, this month, this week, today, all these things are going on. They have not finished yet. But you cannot say, sir, I have bought a new mobile yesterday, because yesterday is no more. Am I clear, Priyanka? So, sometime we can mention the time, but the timing is that maybe before some time or today or this week or this month etc., etc. Right? So, if you talk about present perfect in a simple language, you understand that work is done. If we talk about, if we go deeply into present perfect, the basic definition that is given in the book Rain and Martin, the definition is work done in the past, work done in the past, but it affects at present. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एक ऐसी मैजिकल चीज है कि काम हुआ तो पास्ट में है, लेकिन वो अभी प्रेजेंट से कनेक्ट है। ठीक है, एक बड़ा मैजिक सा है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में। जैसे आप कहते हो सर आई हैव बॉट अ कार, सो व्हेन यू से आई हैव बॉट अ कार, इट मीन्स द कार इज विथ यू। एम आई क्लियर? आई हैव बॉट अ फोन, द फोन इज विथ मी। मतलब प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का मामला ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई चीज खत्म हो गई जिसका अभी से कोई संबंध नहीं है। ठीक है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट मीन्स समथिंग हैज हैपेंड इन द पास्ट बट दैट लिंक्स विद द प्रेजेंट। तो कहा गया वर्क डन इन द पास्ट बट इट अफेक्ट्स इट प्रेजेंट। उसका कोई ना कोई असर, कोई ना कोई इन्फ्लुएंस, कोई ना कोई लिंक प्रेजेंट से होता है। फॉर example, if I come across your home once and you say to me, sir, please take tea. You say to me, sir, please take tea, and I say, no, Priyanka, I have just taken. When I say I have just taken, I mean to say because I have just taken, so I cannot take another cup of tea. The taste is still there. I have just taken tea. So because I have taken tea in the past, but that affects in the present, the taste in the present, that now I cannot take any more cup of tea. Okay, Priyanka, are you getting what I am saying? So, present perfect is beautiful. Many times people misunderstand the difference between present perfect and past simple. We will talk, we will detail later about it. But the basic difference is that past is no more. Past is just opposite. In past, you say something that had nothing to do with the present. For example, if you say, sir, last week I had my birthday. Last week is no more. Okay, so past simple is entirely different thing. Later we'll talk detail about it. But when we talk about present perfect, हो सकता है कोई चीज कई सालों पहले हुई हो। एक बात और मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड करूंगा यहाँ पर प्रियंका। जनरली हमारे दिमाग में कहीं से ये बात हमें बताई गई है कि जो चीज कुछ दिन पहले हुई है वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, और जो चीज बहुत दिन पहले हुई है वो पास्ट सिंपल। ये पता नहीं कहाँ से ये आइडिया हमको आया है। और कोई चीज अगर बहुत बहुत दिन पहले हुई है तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट। इन चीजों का सत्य से कोई संबंध नहीं है। ठीक है, इफ यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू एंड समबडी आस्क यू what have you done, what's your education, so you will say, sir, I have done MBA. Maybe you have done MBA 5 years before, but you will say, sir, I have done MBA. If you have remembered very first demo of your class, I told you that thing, right? So because you have done MBA, so it is not something that matter has finished. You have the knowledge, you have the impression, you have the influence, and because of MBA you are here. So present perfect is something that you have done maybe long past, but it has influence right now. Okay, Priyanka? And what I told that in general, present perfect does not tell about when you perform the action. So when somebody asks you, what have you done, or what's your education, or you say, sir, I have done MBA. But if you say, sir, I have done MBA on 2016, that will be an incorrect sentence. Okay, you have to say, sir, I have done MBA. If you want to add the timing also, that will go to past simple. So then you have to say, sir, I did my MBA on 2016. थोड़ा बहुत समझ आया बेटा? तो चलो हम इतनी बातें इतने अंदर भी चले गए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट के. बेसिकली in a simple language you understand, present perfect tells that work is done, that somebody has done something. Am I clear, Priyanka? Okay, chalo, thank you. You write it down, then we'll practice more.